Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for helping kids with sensory issues manage flying more successfully. Now, this is one video in a large playlist, so please take a look through all the different strategies and see which one or which ones apply. But one of, I think, the most fun and easy ones is working with your child before the flight to pick their very favorite games, their very favorite toys, so that way you've got some nice distractions while you're flying. So if you haven't checked out the Portable Sensory Toolkit playlist, take a look at it because you can come up with some really fun tactile types of things to bring onto the plane, and then of course add in your child's favorite games. Consider adding in as many distractions as you possibly can, as many treats, because flying can be immensely stressful, especially if you're caught in a delay or you've got a change in your flight route and your flight plan. So it's a stressful experience oftentimes for everyone, but consider managing some of that stress through the distractions of toys, favorite games, favorite movies, favorite videos, favorite songs. So just remember, distraction can go a really long way in addition to the other strategies that are on this playlist. So pack some nice distracting things to help that flight go a bit more smoothly.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow down.